The ERGO Switch is the evolution of inline switches. It's innovative in intent. It's designed to eliminate the current hardships that the linemen are experiencing in the field now. It's the first all-in-one inline switch. There were a tremendous amount of problems with the previous inline designs. One thing is that you're having two linemen to install something and putting two linemen in harm's way rather than one. All right, so let's talk about the different installation methods, the old style and the new style, and the tools that are used to install them. One guy's got to hold the switch in place, while the other guy either goes above it or below it to tighten the attachment in place, just so the switch will hold on to the conductor. You have them go into the storeroom to try to pick through 12 different size wedges, pick through 4 different cartridges, then get out there and they face a high misfire rate. And you can only use them with that specific tool. So if you're using one manufacturer, you can't use anybody else's cartridges. If your tool isn't firing correctly, what we were finding was the guys were just no longer using them. They would leave them in the bottom of the bin, but they would go up there and just whack the wedge in with a hammer. Insert your wedge, you can bang it in with a hammer a little bit. If you're doing that, and then you go out there with a thermal camera, we were finding a very high rate of hot spots on the feeders. The ERGO Switch is designed to where the connector system is built into the switch. They're so quick and simple to install, one lineman can go up there, cut the switch in 2-3 minutes, move to the next phase, cut the switch in 2-3 minutes in the third phase. The other lineman can do the same thing on the other side. You can isolate within a matter of 15-20 minutes and keep everyone else on that feeder on. So if you look past the load brake horns and you look at the direction of the way that this is, you can see the angle of the reverse loop. What that allows for is it actually squeezes down and actually helps this blade close. The ERGO Switch's install from below feature allows for a single man installation from a safe bucket positioning at a 45-degree angle underneath the conductor. It prohibits linemen from having to go in between phases or to be in the danger zone any longer than they need to be. You trying to race me? There's a tremendous amount of savings cost. So one, from a labor standpoint, you don't need multiple linemen up there at once. One, from a procurement standpoint, because you don't need a tremendous amount of materials that you would use on the other one. You don't need specialized tooling. You don't need a maintenance program anymore. It's an all-in-one solution. The ERGO Switch's attributes sell themselves. If you can get it in front of any end user who's currently using inlines, they're all experiencing a lot of the same concerns. Show them the switch. It's designed to alleviate those concerns.